Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, and oh boy, do we have a showdown for you. On the left corner, weighing in at a mere $36, we have the Holystone Mini Drone. And in the right corner, priced at a whopping $119, it's the FactShank Brushless Motor Drone. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, price. Holystone Mini Drone is as cheap as your morning coffee at $36. FactShank, on the other hand, is like ordering a fancy dinner for two at $119. So if you're on a budget, Holystone is the way to go. But hey, if you've got cash to burn, FactShank might just be your new best friend. Time for fun factor. Holystone can do toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It's like a tiny aerial acrobat. FactShank isn't far behind with its 3D flips and custom path flight. But let's be real, Holystone sounds like it's ready to join Cirque du Soleil. Reviewers especially love the multiple speed settings and auto takeoff and landing features of the Holystone. Now, let's talk camera quality. Holystone doesn't even have a camera. FactShank, on the other hand, comes with a 1080p HD camera and a 135 degrees motorized adjustable lens. It's like comparing a potato to a DSLR. Sorry, Holystone, but FactShank wins this round hands down. Reviewers note that FactShank's camera takes good pictures, although the video quality can be a bit shaky. Flight time is up next. Holystone gives you 21 minutes with its 3 batteries. FactShank doesn't specify, but with that price tag, it better last longer than my last relationship. Plus, FactShank has that fancy brushless motor for more efficient energy use. Reviews mention FactShank's flight time is almost 20 minutes on a single charge. So let's call this one a tie. Portability time. Holystone is mini and portable, perfect for parties, school, or even hiking. FactShank, with all its fancy gear, might need a backpack of its own. Reviewers love how easy it is to carry the Holystone around. So if you're on the go, Holystone is your travel buddy. And finally, safety. Holystone has propeller guards to protect your fingers and the drone. FactShank, well, it's got advanced tech but no mention of safety features. Reviewers appreciate the added safety of the Holystone, especially when flying around kids. So if you're clumsy or have kids around, Holystone is the safer bet. Overall, reviewers find the Holystone Mini Drone to be an affordable and fun option, especially for beginners and indoor use. It does have its quirks, like being prone to breakage if not handled carefully. On the other hand, FactShank Brushless Motor Drone is praised for its advanced features and camera quality, although some users have reported issues with flyaways and app connectivity. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, fun, and safe drone, Holystone Mini Drone is your winner. But if you're after high-quality footage and advanced features, FactShank Brushless Motor Drone is worth the splurge. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart shopping tips. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.